Mediterranean chicken recipe. When it's time to prepare a weeknight dinner after a busy day, the last thing you want to do is spend a ton of time in the kitchen. Time-consuming meals have their place. My chicken pot pie and garlic lamb roast are worth the time, for instance, but when you need a meal fast, you need something quick, nutritious and delicious. That's where this Mediterranean chicken recipe comes in. This dish perfectly reflects the Mediterranean diet as well as that region in general, with common ingredients from Italy, Greece and even Turkey. The lean protein is topped with a fresh, easy sauce that pairs well with a green salad, a side of veggies or even a gluten-free pasta. Best of all, it's a 30-minute meal from start to finish. So let's get cooking. Preheat the oven to 450 F and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Then, in a pan, sauté the garlic, broth and ghee. Ghee is a great alternative to butter, as you can cook with it at high heat and it's loaded with benefits, too. Once the garlic is fragrant, remove the pan from the heat and stir in the coconut sugar. Next, season the chicken breasts with salt, pepper and onion powder. Place the chicken on the prepared baking sheet and then top it with the garlic ghee mixture. Sprinkle the goat cheese over the garlic chicken and top with fresh tomato slices. Bake the chicken for 15 to 18 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and no longer pink on the inside. While the chicken cooks, get your sides ready. In half hour, you'll have a full meal ready to set on the table. The next time you're tempted to order takeout, try this Mediterranean chicken instead.